Hello guys, today our topic is all about modules, presented by Joy Christiana, Kavya, Varshita, under the guidance of Dr. M. Prasad, PhD, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, Bhimavaram. All about modules. Introduction to modules. A module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. Modules can be used to organize code, make code reusable, and avoid naming conflicts. Python has a large number of built-in modules that can be imported and used in your code. Modules in Python. Built-in modules, user-defined modules. Importing modules. To use a module, you must first import it using the import statement. You can import an entire module or specific functions or classes from the module. Once imported, you can use the module's functions or classes by calling them using the dot notation. Creating your own modules. You can create your own modules by writing code in a separate file and saving it with a .py extension. To use your module, you can import it into another Python script. Your module can contain functions, classes, variables, and other code that can be used by other scripts. The name variable. Every module has name variable that Python sets when the module is imported. If the module is the main program being run, name is set to main. You can use the name variable to write code that only runs when the module is the main program. Built-in modules. Python has a large number of built-in modules that can be imported and used in your code. Some popular built-in modules include math, random, OS, and sys. You can use the dir function to see a list of all functions and variables in a module. The math module. The math module contains functions for mathematical operations like trigonometry, logarithms, and square roots. Some popular math functions include square root, sine, cos, and pi. You can import the math module using the import statement import math. The random module. The random module contains functions for generating random numbers and sequences. Some popular random functions include r and range, r and int, and shuffle functions. You can import the random module using import statement import random. The OS module. The OS module provides a way to interact with operating system. You can use the OS module to get information about the current directory, create directories, and delete files. You can import the OS module using the import statement import OS. The SYS module. The SYS module provides access to some variables used or maintained by the interpreter and to functions that interact strongly with the interpreter. You can use the SYS module to get access to command line arguments, the standard input or output streams, and the exit function. You can import the SYS module using the import system import SYS. Third Third-party modules. There are many third-party modules available for Python that can be installed using pip. Some popular third-party modules include pandas, matplotlib, and requests. Third-party modules can be used to extend Python's functionality and provide additional features. The Pandas module. The Pandas module provides data structures for efficiently storing and manipulating large datasets. Some popular Panda data structures include series, data frame, and panel. You can import the Panda modules using the import system import Panda. The Matplotlib module. The Matplotlib module provides functions for creating high-quality visualizations like line plots, scatter plots, and histograms. You can customize the appearance of your plots using a variety of options. You can import the Matplotlib module using the import system. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. The requests module. The requests module makes it easy to send HTTP requests and handle responses in Python. You can use the requests module to interact with web APIs and scrape web pages. You can import the requests module using the import statement import requests.
Installing modules with pip. Pip is a package installer for Python that makes it easy to install and manage third-party modules. To install a module using pip, you can use the command pip install module name. You can also specify a specific version of the module to install using the command mentioned below. Virtual environments. Virtual environments allow you to create isolated Python environments for different projects. Each virtual environment has its own Python interpreter and installed modules. You can create a virtual environment using the command mentioned here. Activating a virtual environment. To use a virtual environment, you must activate it using the activate script. On Windows, you can activate a virtual environment using the command as follows. And on Mac and Linux, you can activate a virtual environment using the command mentioned below. Deactivating a virtual environment. To stop using a virtual environment, you can deactivate it using the deactivate command. You can deactivate a virtual environment using the command deactivate. From all this, we can say that modules are an essential part of Python programming and allow you to organize code, make code reusable, and avoid naming conflicts. Python has a large number of built-in modules and third-party modules that can be used to extend Python's functionality. Virtual environments allow you to create isolated Python environments for different projects.